let me give you a few really quick tips on chain stitch, which I'll demonstrate on my pattern, the gardening bee. Tip 1 is to have a play with how tight or loose you pull each chain. There's no right or wrong, but if you leave them quite loose, you'll end up with more of a loopy, fuller effect, whereas if you pull them tighter, you'll end up with a denser, thinner effect. Tip number 2 is that when you're using this as a filler stitch, you can actually put in directional lines to help keep you on track. And ideally, you'll stitch each row of chains so that it just sits nice and flush with the previous one. Which leads me to tip 3. If you do end up with any little gaps, which is totally understandable, you can actually just pop in a little straight stitch at the end if the gap's too small to fit a chain stitch, and I'm betting you won't even notice in the overall effect. I hope you found those tips really helpful, and you can actually try them on my pattern, the gardening bee, if you're keen to learn more.